Jai Srimanarayana. 20th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tyaktva karma phala sangam nityatrupto nirashrayah कर्मणि अभिप्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः। ॐ Make sure you know what you are doing. Make sure you are doing whatever that you know. Do your job perfectly. Do not expect any rewards. Expecting rewards causes unnecessary anxiety. Be content all the time. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that I know what I am doing. I shall make sure I am doing whatever that I know. I shall make sure I am doing my job perfectly. I shall not expect any rewards. I shall be always content. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Jamadagni gave good hospitality to Kartavirya-Arjuna. Kartavirya-Arjuna asked Jamadagni's divine wish-fulfilling cow Kamadhenu. And after that, because Kartavirya-Arjuna has so much strength and he asked his army to take that Kamadhenu forcibly from there. Then they are Techa Mahishmatim Ninyuhu Savatsam Krandhatim Balat. They forcibly taken away the divine cow Kamadhenu along with its calf. Kamadhenu was crying. So they took that calf and cow to Mahishmati Puram. After that, Rama Ashramamagataha, Jamadagni's youngest son Parasurama came down to ashramam. And he heard everything what exactly happened, and he became so much angry as and how when the snake was hit by somebody. Just like that, he became so furious. And then Parasurama has taken Ghoramadaya Parasum Satunam Varma Karmukam. He has taken his Parasu, his shield, his bow, his arrows, everything. And then he started chasing Kartavirya Arjuna as and how a lion chases an elephant. Just like that, Parasurama is chasing Kartavirya Arjuna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 20th sloka. Tyaktva karma phala sangam. Nityatrupto nirashrayaha. Karmanyabhipravrittopi. Naiva kinchit karoti saha. Tyaktva karma phala sangam. Nityatrupto nirashrayaha. Karmanyabhipravrittopi. Naiva kinchit karoti saha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.